Update on Arthur. Started doing his face. His cheek grin is a bit dark, but I'd already outlined some lines in there, so I couldn't really do much about it. Yeah. There's the original I'm working from. It's going on. Darken background up a bit as well. Put them birds into the background there. And some clouds. Pencil rope work in. I don't really want to darken them ropes too much. I want to make it jump out. I'm trying my best to get it 3D-ish. I do like that. I love it. Coming on that. Just keep adding a little touch here and there. Just to try and make it pop. My name's Mark, and I love all my brothers and sisters from another mother.